What's up, everybody? We're back with another video, but instead of playing Grand Theft Auto 5, we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna see if we can rebuild the Saints, because they're like negative 80 million under the cap. Or not under the cap, over the cap. Or, yeah, it's negative under the cap, yeah. Let's do this. We're gonna turn injuries off though, and fatigue. Because again, it's just a rebuild. We're gonna be doing some gameplay though, but for the most part, we're just gonna be offloading some of these contracts and seeing if we can rebuild the Saints. We're gonna go ahead with Spencer Rattler as the quarterback because he's shown promise. He's pretty good. He's a rookie. I think he was drafted in like the 6th round, so there's only so much he could do. Derek Carr is a starter in New Orleans, but the thing is with Derek Carr, he's pretty good. He's just not elite. Like, I mean, he had an MVP season back in 2016, but after the injury back in, I think it was 2017, he just was never the same after that. Let's check our team salaries. Jeez. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to unload some of these contracts. Derek Carr, Marshawn Lattimore, Ryan Ramczyk, Eric McCoy, Alvin Kamara, Carl Granderson, Cameron Jordan, Taysom Hill, Cesar Ruiz, Demario Davis. We're gonna keep Chris Olave though, because he's a young receiver. We can build around him. We're gonna let go of Tyrann Mathieu, and we're gonna keep Talise Fuaga. I think he's our 1st round draft pick actually, so it should be pretty good. We're gonna let go of Trevor Penning, Peyton Turner. We'll see about Brian Breesy. I don't know how old he is. He's 22 actually, so we might end up keeping him. Yeah, we're definitely gonna unload most of these contracts. All right. See if we can get some trade offers. Let's skip the game plan because we're not going to be playing in this video. I'm going to do some gameplay next video, but we're just going to get into the season right now. Sim to where we are in real life, and yeah, just unload some contracts, man. Trade some players away, clear up some cap space, not only to get to neutral salary cap space, but to potentially go the opposite direction of where we are right now. All right, we're gonna sim to mid-season, and then we're gonna offload some contracts. It's been an interesting season so far. The thing is with the Saints, they started the season off on a great note. They started like 2-0, dominating the first 2 opponents they played, but they just lost 7 straight after that. completely fell off the map. Some of that has to do with injury. Some of that is just coaching. They ended up firing their coach. We're 3-4, huh? We got a lot of talent. But well, some of it is injury. Some of it is just coaching. They all ended up firing Dennis Allen. But overall, I just think the Saints need to come into a full rebuild. I mean, they really don't have any other choice because, like I said, they're in like damn near negative $100 million in the cap space, man, which is insane when you think about it. But that's what happens when you keep trying to run it back and just keep doing the same shit over and over again. It's the definition of insanity. All right. First, we're gonna offload probably Derek Carr. See if we can get some offers for him. Bears don't need a quarterback. They got Caleb, Bengals, Bills. Broncos might need one, but no, they got Bo Nix, Browns, Buccaneers. And the compensation we're getting is kind of decent right now. It's not too great, but it's not too bad either. I think we might just stick with Derek Carr for now. Alvin Kamara. Orlando Brown. Son of Zeus Brown, I think. Julian Blackman's a pretty good player. Antonio Gibson. Vikings got Aaron Jones. Titans might, I don't know. Part of me is tempted to just give the running back or the players to teams that need them. But I also know that I should probably see if I can get the best offer for them. Let's see the best offers. All right. Tyreek Stevenson, Steven Carlson, Orlando Brown, Jackson Carmen, round 7 pick, Zadarius Smith and DeAnthony Bell, BJ Ojulari, Tuli Tuipolo. I completely butchered that, but Tuli, Donald Parham Jr., Felix Anudike Uzama. Not to be confused with CJ Uzama. I don't know what team he plays for anymore. He used to play for the Jets and the Bengals, but I don't know where he is now. Jahan Dotson. Anthony Pittman. They got Austin Eckler, though. Eagles, Jordan Davis, Fred Johnson. Saquon. They got Saquon. 49ers, Jaguars, maybe. Lions, Packers, Preston Smith. No, we don't want. We're gonna see if we can get a third round draft pick for him. But first, let's see the rest of the offers. Donald Parham, Toby. You know what? We'll go with Jaguars. Ezra Cleveland's a pretty good player. We'll see if we can make it a third round draft pick instead of instead of a fifth round. Actually. Wait, but the Jaguars are in playoff contention. You know what? Rams, Steelers, Texans. All these teams pretty much have running backs. It's just apparently they want to add another. We'll go with the Cardinals. We'll see if we can get a third round draft pick though from them. At least a third round draft pick. All right. Who do they offer? Oh, they offered was it BJ Ojulari? We don't feel the offer brings enough. What? Man, you know what? I'll just throw in a fifth round draft pick, man. Doesn't mean anything anyways. It worked. Alright, let's offload some more players. Demario Davis. Who needs him, though? That's my question. Bengals. Bills. Ooh, they're offering Matt Milano. That's a hell of an offer, man. Cortland Sutton. Browns, Buccaneers, Chargers. Holy frick, they're offering Joey Bosa. Alright. This is insane. That's freaking crazy. They're offering Bijan Robinson. These are some crazy offers. Rams. Seahawks are offering Devon Witherspoon. Vikings. You know what? Why not, man? We'll go with. I think Jordan Addison wants out anyways, so we'll go with We'll go with the Vikings. Don't really need Andrew Van Ginkel or Mekhi Blackman, but we'll take Jordan Addison. What did that say? Oh, I see the problem. I see the problem. Too many players. We need to cut 2. Let's see how many players we got at each position. I might end up having to. You know what? Bye, Nathan. You're no longer on the team. We're gonna let go of A.T. Perry. He's got a lot of talent, but we're gonna have to let him go anyways. We're getting a little too thick at the wide receiver position. We got some more work to do. Tyrann Mathieu. Bears, Tyreek Stevenson, Colin Johnson, Bills, Broncos, Browns. Ooh, they're offering Denzel Ward. Cardinals. Nah, that wouldn't make sense. We just traded away Alvin Kamara. We can't get him back. Trent McDuffie. That's crazy. DeForest Buckner. We're gonna go with young player from the Jets, Will McDonald the fourth. I don't think the Lions would ever trade Aiden Hutchinson. I just think he's too valuable to them. He got injured. They're playing really well, despite him being injured. But they did trade for Zadarius Smith, which is very good on their part. All right, the Jets. We're just gonna see if we could take Will McDonald and Nick Leverett. I think they were offering. Marshawn Lattimore. I think they ended up trading him to the Commanders in real life, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. See if we can get a player or a couple picks out of it. Nope. We're not taking McLaurin. We will take a first-round draft pick, though. They're asking to do too much. You know what? We'll fleece him. Never mind. Why not? We don't feel the offer. It's what the heck, man? It's literally at the full. You know what? Fuck it, man. Throwing a future 5th-round draft pick, I guess. Oh shit! No. Oh wait. You know what? I thought we were trying to get a player in return, but no, we just needed the draft pick. This dude's age 30, so he's getting up there in age. Obviously, Geno Stone. We'll see if we can get maybe a 2nd-round draft pick for him. 2nd or 3rd. Bengals really need an offensive lineman too, so we'll go ahead and do that. We'll take it. Bills, Broncos, Browns, Buccaneers, Cardinals, Chargers, Chiefs, Colts, Commanders, Cowboys, Dolphins. Cowboys don't have the cap room. Dolphins, Eagles, Falcons, 49ers. Definitely not the 49ers. Giants, Jets, Lions. We could give the Lions Chase Young. Panthers. Patriots. How much is Jelani Tavai worth, though? Jerome Baker, Cameron Young, Deshaun Elliott, Juice Scruggs, Byron Murphy. Odafe Owe. I'll think about it. Yeah, I figured. All right. We're just have to settle with the 4th-round with a 4th-round draft pick. Oh, look at that. We're getting up in the cap room. Still got a few more players to go, though. Like Cam Jordan. We're going to miss you, Cam, but this is for the best. Bills. Kirby. How the frick did they get Kirby Joseph, man? He plays with the Lions, man. I just don't understand that. And we're definitely not giving anything to the Chiefs either. Even though they're offering us for She Rice, which is a pretty tempting offer, but nah. They're the two-time defending champs. We don't want to give them any more ammunition. Surprisingly, they gave us a second. All right, we'll take it. Eric McCoy's 27. Jordan Addison injured. Van King, cool. We'll just trade one more player. It's tough, man. We might not have enough room for Rashid Shaheed, surprisingly. You know what? We'll just see if we can get Chris Olave to play slot or something. All right. Bears, Bengals, Bills, Broncos, Browns, Buccaneers, Cardinals, Chargers, Chiefs, Colts, Commanders, Cowboys, Dolphins, Eagles, Falcons, 49ers, Giants, Jaguars, Jets, Lions, Packers, Panthers, Patriots, Raiders, Rams, Ravens, Seahawks, Steelers, Texans, Titans, Vikings. We'll take it. All right, I think that's all the big trades right now we can do. So we're just moving into the next video. We'll just have to. We'll see, you know. We got like 14 million in cap left. Yeah. All right. I'll see you all in my next video. Deuces. Next time we're gonna get into some gameplay, or try to see if we can get into some gameplay. All right. Deuces. I will see you all in my next video. Deuces.